we found an ordinary pet on the beach. Oh, look at this is a rooster. So you got rooster for a pet?
Pet.
It's a pet. So basically,
This is a rooster.
this is a rooster. So basically, why do you keep a pet as a rooster? I mean, yeah, rooster as a pet.
Exactly.
Do you have pet show for some reason?
No, just for just for any.
Okay. So you basically bring them to the beach and let them be on Sunday.
It's summertime.
It's summertime.
Someone also enjoys just like us.
Oh, great! What's their name?
What do you call them?
We call them Zsuzsanna.
Chusa, all right. And then the other one?
This is a big cheetah.
And this one here?
That is just
A Purgi. Hi Purgi and hi Chusa.
a Purgi.
A Murgi, sorry. Hi Murgi. Interesting things on the beach. Look at that. Beautiful. Well, I encourage you guys. Pets on the beach. Yeah, wonderful.